Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 test of oral English past question. Question number 43. We're looking out for the option or word that takes its stress pattern on a different position. The option A is pronounced as typist. And it is a noun word of two syllables. The option B is pronounced as often. And it is a noun word too, and it has two syllables. The option C is pronounced as matrix, and it is a noun word that has two syllables too. The option D is pronounced as cigar. It is a noun word too, that has two syllables. Then the option A takes its stress position on the first syllable. The option B takes the stress position on the first syllable. Option C takes its stress on the first syllable. The option D takes the stress on the second syllable. So by this narration, then it means that option D takes its stress on a different syllable. Therefore, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.